Wow, here we are. Long time no see. Long time no wash hair either. So today I'm gonna be showing how I straighten my hair. I'm not even gonna get into why I took such a long hiatus. That is for a different video, a different time, a different day. I don't know, not right now though. So as you can see, my hair is in the slicked back bun of like, my hair is about to jump off of my head and like beat my ass if I don't wash it. I'm on like day 5 of slick back bun. It's bad. So as you can see, oh god, it's so flat, it's like dreads. Like curly hair people, I know, y'all know what this is like. You know what, we're gonna pause for like a screen grab. As you can see, we have some dreads here to work with. They're not even like curly anymore. Like they've just been, look at it, like brushed straight basically. Except like, you know, the bun part, that one's still curly. Okay, so, ooh, excuse me. What I do here is I just, before I get in the shower, I kind of like finger detangle my hair. Since I've cut my hair short, it doesn't get as tangled as it used to when it was super long, because it just had obviously so much more hair to get super tangly. And even when I wear it in a slick bun, I feel like it doesn't get as tangled because it's just like contained in a little loop, you know, and I'm just like continuously spraying like leave-in conditioner and stuff in it, so it doesn't get that bad. It's just really, it's just kind of like bunched together. So I just go through and I'm not pulling hard. It might look like I'm pulling hard, but I'm not. Trust me, hair people out there, I'm not breaking my hair off, and if I am, mind your business. I'm not a professional. Insane right now, I look like a witch. I'm going to jump in the shower, and the shampoo that I use on my hair is the OGX coconut water conditioner and shampoo. This is what they look like. I used to use the L'Oreal, I think it was keratin shampoo to straighten my hair with, but I noticed it didn't matter if I was using like a straightening hair shampoo or just like a regular shampoo on my hair to straighten it. It came out just the same, and honestly, I like this a little bit better because I feel like when straightening my hair, it makes it a lot lighter and it doesn't have any residue kind of like left over. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash my hair, and I'll be back. Right, I'm back in my yellow hoodie with my hair wet. Right now, typically I'm going to just comb it out with my little comb here. I don't have any product in my hair right now. And while I was washing it, I made sure to really like scrub my scalp with the shampoo because I was oiling my scalp this week just to make sure that any excess oils or anything are gone, so we can make sure that when we're straightening it, it has like a lot of volume and body at the top, because if you have leftover oils, it's definitely going to weigh down your hair. Duh, obvi. After the shower, I like to just like put on my like body lotion, do my skincare routine, all of that, so my hair can get kind of damp. I don't like to go in like straight away like blow drying my like wet hair, because I mean it takes a lot longer, and like I like to do it quick. We're quick with it, okay? So I'm just taking this and combing out any other little tangles we may have, because we want the blow dryer brush to just glide smoothly through the hair. We have detangled hair. All right, so I'm going to take the, this is by Natural Bioterra Anti-Frizz Intense Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. And it says locks out frizz for 3 days, even in high humidity, and like, swear, it really does. I got this at Nordstrom Rack, I believe, actually. I think they do sell it at Ulta though. I remember I was just in there and just spray it. It's kind of like, it comes out in a straight stream, so if you've ever used, it's a 10, it's kind of like that same consistency. Sometimes I just like spray it in my hand, but that looks rated X, but don't know what hair products. Anyway, smooth through my hair like this. It really does lock in for like 3 days though. I really don't get any frizziness, and my hair, if you know me, you know, it gets so frizzy. Like, since it's just so fine, right? Humidity hits it. It's just like, and I just look like Toad, you know, from Mario Kart, the little mushroom. Oh, I'm mainly focusing it on my ends. I don't want to weigh anything around the top of my hair, like just the excess. I'm just rubbing into the top. Next, I use a Sebastian Trilliant. This is a heat protectant. And it has like a sparkle complex in it. I don't know if you can even see it, but like it's kind of sparkly. I shake it up because it's like an oil and water kind of sits on top of each other. It doesn't really make your hair sparkle. It's just, I like it because it's light and it protects my ends. Obviously, heat protectant, you should always use it. So I don't spray myself in the eye. I'm gonna look in the mirror right here. Use the Revlon Iconic Blow Dryer with the brush. I've been using this since high school. I remember I had it when it was red. There was one that was red, this one's blue. You can literally get it at Target, Amazon, Walgreens. Like, this is a big ride or die product. If you have curly hair and you wanna like straighten it real quick. And I like how it doesn't damage your hair as much because, you know, it's just like heat damage is heat damage, but it doesn't concentrate the heat just on one portion of your hair. It's like, you know, at home blowout. Dry Bar did come out with something similar to this though, and like I really do want to use it because when I'm not doing my own hair, I always go to Dry Bar. Like, they always just like get it right, straight to the point, blow out, that's all I need, and I'm out the door. So we're using the OG right now, and I like to use it on the high setting because I like to do it fast. So you're not gonna be able to hear me, obviously, when I start blow drying, but I literally just take my nails and section my hair. And when I don't have nails, I just use my fingertips. This is probably like so raggedy, not even like a part. I don't focus much on like parting my hair any special way. I just like to do small sections. I take my little banana clip here, clip the rest of the hair up. Before I start on my ends, I always use just the original, the OG. I feel like we all have this at our house, the Icy Fantasy Heat Protectant straightening serum. And I just like pour some of this oil out onto my countertop and just like dip my hand in there. From time, you really don't need much. When your hair is really fine, you don't want to weigh it down. I always just focus it on my ends like this. It gets in my hand. Just put it on the ends. You can do section by section, and when I get to the top, I'm gonna fast forward through all of this, kind of boring. When I get to the top, I'll stop and show you guys how I maximize the volume on the roots. Okay, as promised, I'm back. So here is the bottom portion of my hair, not like the, you know, the crown, blow dried. The most important part is that you get it straight at all the roots, so you don't have to like be clicking and clanking the flat iron, you know what I mean? All of this took like 5 Summer Walker songs, if that gives you any gauge of time. On this part, I have like this much hair left, and this is how you really gonna get that good blow dry bar-esque blowout experience. So, oh my god, I'm even wearing yellow, wearing the colors. Hire me! Just kidding, I could never work in hair. So, I'm just gonna like take a section, alright? This section. So it's kind of half and half right now. And then this other piece, we're gonna pin her out the way. I start from the root, and I'm gonna take it and bring it up and just keep going it over like this, and it'll build that, like, you know, that volume. You'll see. I'm gonna do it in the video, but here we go. Boom, look at that. It's just standing up on its own. Okay, so we have that going. We'll just toss that back. I'm gonna do the other side here. crazy how much straightened hair just really changes your look. Woo! Okay, so we're all blown out here. As you can see, we're a little more than halfway there. Flat iron is fired up. This is a little GVP, a little generic value products flat iron. This ain't no cheat. Listen, this GVP. I'm gonna take some more of the heat protectant here for my ends. They are a little puffy right now. And section off my hair once again. I kind of do it in big sections at this point because, I mean, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I get kind of lazy. There goes my clip. Lazy when it comes to like the straightening portion, just because I don't need to have bone straight hair. Like, I like not like puff, but that little bit of like, you know, like volume that sometimes you lose. Ooh, I dropped it again. On a bigger section of hair like this, I will literally take my comb, grip it in there, take the flat iron and like run it through, just so the ends are like nice and like separated and every end is like getting the heat put on it. I have to turn around this way because I cannot do this in that little viewfinder. And I just keep doing this all over my head. Okay, as you can see, we're nice, slicked and straight here. Some cute little volume. When it's shiny, it looks great. My last step, like when I'm straightening my hair, it's optional, but I have plans tonight, so while I'm like doing my makeup and getting dressed and going around the house and things, I like to just put my hair up in like this like little bun on top of my head and put my bonnet on and just do all that stuff, because I don't really like to curl my hair. I like to give it its own like natural kind of like bouncy fall. So I'm gonna do that, and then when I'm done getting ready and everything, I'll come back on here to show you guys how I style that after, you know, I take it out, the bun, and the effect that it gives my hair. If you have a hair type like mine, I strongly recommend doing this. I do it at night when I go to sleep too, so in the morning gives you that cute little wave. And I mean, every time it comes out great. It's like its own little style, and it's like you don't have to be sitting there doing your hair or wear big rollers or anything. It just kind of like does its own thing. And then I take, you know, my handy dandy little bonnet. If you don't have one, you need one. If you're not wearing a silk scarf or a bonnet, sweetheart, I am gonna pray for you, so you should start. And I put it on, and I know I look like crazy, like a little mushroom. Listen, what it takes to be beautiful, okay? I have my bonnet on. I'm gonna go about the rest of my evening and beauty routine, and I'll be back to show you the ending results of the hair after it's incubated in the bonnet. Okay, so we have our little bun on our head, and my makeup is now complete, and we're basically dressed. I was gonna say barely because I don't like have my pants on yet, but whatever. So here is our hair reveal. Wait a minute. Before I even do the hair reveal, I didn't do my baby hairs yet because I honestly just don't know how I want to part my hair tonight. I don't know if I want to wear it in like a ponytail. I don't know if I want to wear it down. I just don't know yet. So that's why these aren't slicked. So like imagine this with slicked edges. I might, when I figure out my hairstyle, come back to show you, but right now, yeah, that's what we're working with. So usually I like the results after leaving it like this for some hours. It's only maybe been like an hour and a half. I'm also used to leaving it like overnight. That's when you get like the best results, you get chef kiss results. So this is just after a little bit of time. You see you're getting like a little bit of like waves here. Maybe I wonder, you know what, I might check back in the morning to show you like a full set of this setting. If I don't, sorry. If I do, you'll see it. But see how it gives you some body and stuff, and then obviously if baby hairs were slicked, you know, it'd be precise and clean. But this is our final blowout product here. Ooh, she's cute and mysterious. Oh, but this is our final product. Simple, easy, takes maybe an hour, maybe under an hour if you're like staying really dedicated and you're not texting her on Instagram. But speaking on Instagram, since I'm back, don't forget to give me a follow if you missed me. I don't know, go into my pictures and spam bitch squad like we're back on the MySpace days or something. But I'm glad to be back for this little vid. I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe and do a little thumbs up, and maybe if you do enough thumbs up, I'll figure out another hair video to do. I'll see you guys in the next video.